Hey there friends, Bobby here today. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about this cool microphone that I'm wearing, and it is made by this company right here called Alvoxcon. It was purchased off of Amazon, so stay tuned and we'll talk about this thing today. Okay guys, let's get started about this cool microphone I'm wearing. Actually, this microphone was given to me about 3 years ago or so, okay, by Mint Hill Tina. She got it for me for Christmas. We tried it out on a couple videos, and then I was too lazy to use it every time I filmed a video. But guys, here recently, I have seen the importance that I need to get better audio on these videos that I'm making to keep you guys engaged better, okay? Because we have a lot of distractions out here in the shop, like compressor kicking on. Every time I blow compressed air, use an air tool, it kind of sucks the sound away from what I'm saying, and I'm hoping that this is going to fix this. And we're going to try that. We're going to test a few things today as we're doing this video to see if it makes it better. So let's get going here. This is the box that the unit come in. Let's see what's in here. Right now we got a set of instructions in here. We got another microphone. This is like a lapel mic that you can just hook up to your collar. And I decided to use the headset one today. Bring the camera back up here so they can see it. So I got the headset mic on. The cable is running down to this little unit right here that clips to my shorts. And there is a volume control on this that goes all the way from 0 to 20. And we're at 15 right now. We've done a little bit of testing with this thing earlier, and we found that 15 seems to work the best for what we're trying to do. Okay, now there's a unit on Nathaniel's phone right now, and what I'm going to do is take my phone and film his phone so that you can see what is going on here with the unit that's actually attached to the phone. Now, the sound quality won't be as good when I get ready to do this, of course, because I'm wearing the mic on this one. So I will splice this in starting right now. Okay, guys. So now I am filming Nathaniel filming me. Say hey, Nathaniel.
Hello.
You don't have to talk so loud, dude, because this is filming just on this right here. Okay, anyway. I'm getting tickled here, guys. You see this unit here that is attached to the phone? It come with this little plastic bracket here. I think she had to buy that separately. That actually glues onto the phone case. It's a little tiny thing, okay? Just makes it where you can actually clip it to there, all right? So here's the unit. It's got an antenna. This communicates with the thing on my waistline here. It is plugged into, it's got a cord here that comes with it that plugs into the back of the iPhone 11. That's what we're using here. And guys, if you remember the iPhone 7s when they come out, they had these little adapters to where you can put the 1/8" jack into there. We had to go find this, okay? Or you'll have to buy one to go along with this as well, all right? So that's what we did to get this thing hooked up. You're gonna have to have that adapter, okay? Nathaniel, are you that tired, buddy? You're just yawning. I'm boring you to death, aren't I? Guys, I hope I'm not boring you to death. Okay, so let's flip back around, go back to the microphone recorded content. All right, are you still recording? You've been recording the whole time? Oh, that's cool. That's fine. We just done it. We'll clip out what we need to. All right, guys. So let's test a few things. I'm going to turn around and pretend like I'm talking here at the board, okay? And I'm teaching a little tutorial here. Like, here's a picture of Nathaniel, and here's his nose, and don't he look very funny? Da 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 da. And here he is. Here's his arm out here, and he's got a wrench in his hand. And he's getting ready to bolt something together. Okay, so guys, you kind of get the feel of what it sounds like when I turn totally away, okay? All right, so I'm going to walk over here. You can see that I'm walking over here to the toolbox. You should be able to still hear me pretty good. Let me walk on over here to this toolbox. You can just turn around and follow me over here, Nathaniel. We're in here looking for something. We're going to look for a tool here right quick, and we're going to, okay, we didn't find it, so here we go. We found that tool right there. Okay, anyway, so there we go. Now let's go back over here. I got one more test to see how this thing reacts. A lot of times, oh, let me grab an air ratchet. This is really something I need to do. Where is my air ratchet? Oh, you know what? It's in that other toolbox. Let me go over here. Hold on, guys. Pan back around here, Nathaniel. We'll just show them all this while we're doing it. Yeah, here's an air ratchet right here. Let's hook up to the air right quick. First of all, let's just see what compressed air sounds like. Here's compressed air. A lot of times I blow air and it takes away from the vocals from me. So I'm talking right now. I'm blowing some air. Can you still hear me? Is it taking away from the sound quality? How loud is that? Okay, let's see what that sounds like. Now let's do one more thing. Let's test an air ratchet. A lot of times I make auto repair videos and I hit this ratchet. You can't even hear me talk anymore, okay? So here we go. Can you hear me talk now? Okay, I'm taking the nut off of the caliper and then we're going to replace the pads and we're going to put it back on. Okay, now look here, the compressor just kicked on. That was another thing that when I made videos before, when the compressor would kick on, you know, that would like put a stop to whatever we were filming. So can you still hear me? We'll find out here in a few minutes when we play this thing back. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this thing off for now. All right, so guys, so there we go so far with our test video. All right, so we're gonna stop the film now. We're gonna go outside and we're gonna see how far I can walk away from this thing. Okay guys, as you can hear, we're outside in the driveway and a loud school bus is getting ready to drive by. How's that sound right now? Can you still hear me talking? Could you hear that loud school bus when it just went by? All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna walk out to the mailbox, check the mail. Here comes another car right now. You know, if we were out here filming, that would be making noise. Hopefully it's not now. I'm gonna go look at the mailbox and then I'm gonna walk that way a little ways and come back up through here, okay? I'm gonna be talking the whole time. All right guys, so what does this thing sound like, okay? Let's just keep walking out here to the mailbox and we'll check the mail, see if we got any mail today. And we got one article of mail right now. Hopefully it's not a bill. Not sure what this is. So we're gonna walk this way. Hello, how are you? So we just passed a youngster getting off of a school bus. So we're gonna walk down this way, see what we sound like. And now we're just gonna come back up through the front yard. Daniel's filming. Coming up beside my favorite tree, my palm tree. Makes me feel like I'm at the beach. So here we go guys, see what this sounded like as we're coming back in. All right, so what do you think there, Nathaniel? You couldn't hear nothing. We'll have to play it back to see what it sounds like. Okay guys, hey, we want to thank you for stopping by today, checking out this little tutorial on this microphone setup. I will definitely find the link to it. I know they still sell it. Sell it on Amazon. They might even make a more improved model today. I don't know. That already comes with that little adapter for the newer phones. I will find a link, put it right down in the description in case you guys want to buy one. And guys, all my followers out there, the videos are getting ready to get better because I'm going to wear this thing every chance I get in our up and coming videos. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.